Good morning, students. In the last class, we taught you about conduction. Now you know conduction occurs in solids. Now a question arises, does conduction occurs in all solids? The answer is no. It is just like electricity. All substances do not allow the heat to flow through them. The substances which allow the heat through them are known as good conductor of heat. Example, all metals such as copper, iron, silver, gold, aluminium and their alloy. Alloy means a new substance made up of these elements or a mixture of some elements. In all metals, silver is the best conductor of heat than copper or aluminium. And the substances which do not allow the passage of heat through them are called poor conductor or insulator of heat. Examples are wood. You can see here wood, paper, glass, plastic, clothes, rubber, etc. All are insulator of heat. Now come to application of conductor and insulator. Application means where we use these items as good conductor or as insulator. You can say insulator, also bad conductor. First example is cooking utensils. Utensil means bartan. Cooking utensils are made up of good conductor because they allow the flow of heat to cook inside the utensil. Whereas the handle of these utensils are made up of insulator as to hold the utensils easily. Second is building material. Houses are built by using insulator such as bricks, mud, sheets, etc. so that heat should not enter from outside to inside in summer and from inside to outside in winter. Third is clothes. The clothes we wear in winter are woolens because wool is an insulating material that prevent our body to lose heat and keep us warm. Also, air is an insulator, so the air trapped in between the tiny holes of the wool and does not allow any heat loss from our body to the surrounding. Here you can see the pictures of cooking utensils, building materials and clothes. Look at this. Now come to do you know. Same as woolen clothes, air trapped in feathers of birds and the fur of the animals that prevent the heat loss from the body of the animals and birds. And they prevent themselves from extreme cold. Now come to good conductor and bad conductor. Good conductor and bad conductor. Now we will know about good conductor and bad conductor of heat. When we touch a metal object, we feel cold. And at the same time, if we touch a plastic chair, we feel hot or warm. What is the reason behind this? Reason is because metals are good conductor of heat, so we feel cold, and plastic chair is an insulator, means bad conductor. So no transfer of heat takes place and it appears warm. Hope you have understood. Similarly, in summer, we wear light colored clothes that make us feel cooler because they are not insulating at all. And wearing dark colored clothes make us hot because they are good absorber of heat and we wear in winter. That's all for today. In the next class we will discuss convection. Here is some picture also. Look, good conductor and bad conductor. Handle is bad conductor, means insulator, and pan and pressure cooker is good conductor. Here you can also see metal spoon is good conductor of heat and plastic spoon is poor conductor of heat. So metal, you can see this end becomes hot, and in plastic this end does not become hot. That's all for today. Okay, thank you.